Yo, what's good everybody, it's Cajun Reaper here. So, I got a package in not too long ago from the OLIGHT store. It is a big package, as you can see. And I'm sure there's a lot of stuff in here. Probably a flashlight. I don't really know. I don't remember all what I ordered. So, we're going to go ahead and open it. And the knife I'm going to be using is my Giant Mouse Ace, the tried and true knife I've been using. I love this knife. This is literally the only knife I've really been carrying besides my my custom strong arm. Actually, I forgot to cut the back on the top. Alright, here we go. Let's see. Make sure this light is still on. Let's see. There we go. Alright, so yes, we have a lot of stuff and you can't even see shit. Hang on. Let me turn the box around. Alright. Alright, so that's bubble wrap. Happy Thanksgiving. I actually ordered this during the Black Friday sale. Okay. So, we got some OLIGHT O strips here. Okay. I'll go ahead and move these out of the way. We got some more. Or no, we'll go ahead and look at these here in a second. Let's see what everything is here. Alright. I'm trying to figure out what I'm going to show you guys first. So we'll go ahead and look at these guys real quick. Alright, so here's one. And then here is the second one. Alright. Set this over here real quick. Because this is the, these are the main star of the show. And these are the OLIGHT Heron 3. And I got two of them for the simple fact that there is the orange one and then this blue looking one. So, without further ado, let me find where I put the knife here. Here it is. So I'm going to go ahead and choke up on the blade and just lightly score the plastic. And then close it. Alright. Get this on camera. Here we are. Typical OLIGHT packaging. And then go ahead and show you this. Here we are. Lift this up. And then you go ahead and pull it out. Pull this entire thing out first, see what we get underneath. So there is a little trick to this light here. Okay. So pull this out. I'll go ahead and show you the inside of the box real quick. There we go. Thank you. And same message as always. I am going to set this over here. So let's see, what is this? Charging cable, magnetic charging cable. I'll show you what this is here in a second. And that's it, except for the user manuals. Alright, so they give you this guy right here. And you're probably wondering what that is for if you haven't already figured it out. So this light right here has two ways you can use it, alright? So, it is obviously a right angle light, but you can go ahead and, see how does this go in? Or do I have to... wonder if I have to take this off before I do anything. Well, I have to pull this little tab out anyway, so. OLIGHT battery, set this just off to the side. So how do you go in here? I don't want to force it. Yeah, no, I don't want to force it and screw up the paint, so you know what time it is. It is instruction manual time. Because I don't know, I never understood the male aversion to not reading the instruction manual. I prefer to do that so I don't fucking screw some shit up. Well, that's just me. Go ahead and pull this out. Come on. Let's see. So go ahead and see if there is any indication of how this actually works. Let's see. So how do I... That's not what I'm looking for. Okay. How do I use this? There's gotta be more. Okay, I guess you just pop it in there. Yeah, it seems kind of risky. Let's see. Alright. Go ahead and set this off to the side. So it says to pop it in there. Like that. I like the way that digs in. Oh, okay, hang on. Alright, so yeah, it looks like I am going to have to take the pocket clip off. Alright, so we should just be able to pop it in like... Let's see if I scratch it up. No? Oh, no, I didn't. Alright. Here in 3. Let's see, where did I put the battery? Here it is. Here's the battery. Oh yeah, it is scratching it up. So that is a definite con here. So I'm assuming it goes in like this. Alright. Wait, let me see. Yeah, it has to go in like this with the way the charger is. And turn it on. Alright. Okay, not bad. I like that. Yeah, that fucking thing's bright. Alright. And then to get it out. Alright. So yeah, if you are going to get this light, just keep in mind that this will get marred up, which the reason why I bought 2 is so I can use 1. Let me get the see if I can find it. Where'd it go? I think I just heard it clank against something. Yep, here it is. So, the reason why I bought two is because I might end up using one as a headlamp, and then I might use another one as more of like, yeah. So, but then again, I may use them both as a headlamp periodically. I mean, obviously, as you use a flashlight, it is going to get worn, so you have to keep that in mind. I mean, look, if I don't even know if I have it by me right now, but if you look at my Outsider, I don't know what the fuck that was. If you look at my Outsider edition through night flashlight, it has a lot of wear and tears because that was the flashlight I used the most. And yeah. So now I gotta find where I put everything. Alright. So we'll go ahead and put this back up. Or at least the packaging back up. Go ahead and put this back in here real quick. Oh wait, that's right. The box goes underneath the foam. So alright, I'll pick it up here in a second. So we'll go ahead and close the box back up. Push this in here. I'm gonna go ahead and keep the charger out because I'm probably gonna need it. Alright. Well, there's no problem really about that. I am gonna need it. I'll fix that probably later. We'll go ahead and set this up here. And then we'll get to opening the other one. So again, lightly score. And I probably will grab the charger out of this one as well. But I will not be grabbing the headband because I'll just end up using one headband for both lights. So go ahead and pop this open. See which way does this open up again. Alright, here it is. So obviously this is going to look like the orange prowess with the orange color. And yeah. Open. No, I said I was going to get the charger out. I didn't mean right now. So we just go ahead and I don't really have to show you anything about this because it's the same exact light. But they do have 3 LEDs, so I like that. I like it a lot. Alright, so let me stick this over here real quick and set this back over here in the box because there's more stuff I do want to look at. Go ahead and grab this real quick and fix this box properly. Alright, let's see. Because I think I know what the issue is here. Pop this back in. Let's see. Alright. Nope, not quite. Alright, now we're good. Alright. Grab the other box. go ahead and get that chart. Well, I probably won't need the charger right now. So we'll just go ahead and put it back like it came. Alright. Pop. Come on. I like OLIGHT's packaging, but sometimes it is a pain in the ass. So here we go. Let's see what else we got up in here. Alright, so we'll go ahead and take a look at these. Alright, so here's another little flashlight. And this. Alright, so here we are. I thought these little lights were cool, just by the way they look, and especially this one. So I'm gonna go ahead and get my. There we go. Use this to pull out. Read before reading. Okay, yeah. All right, so this is interesting. It uses a USB-C to charge it, and we'll go ahead and. And this is actually a little clip light, and I got this one because it's got dragons on it. I like dragons, so I need a place to put this. Let me go ahead and move this out of the way because I need to actually take a hit on it. And if you're still here watching the video, go ahead and leave a like and a comment, or a thumbs up and a comment, and subscribe if you want to. Alright. Come on. I don't want to rip the box. Let's see. I'm going to use this. Side. Come on. Yep. There we go. We got ripped a little bit, but it's not bad. I love these lights, man. Alright, so again, I wish I had my prowess and my other orange flashlight by me right now, because you can definitely see that I've been loving these orange lights. I don't know, I just like the color orange now. Ooh, I didn't know that. Hang on. I just wanted to show y'all. Alright, so always take the charging cables out just for the simple fact that if I'm going to be able to charge 2 lights at the same time, I can use 2 cables. So, go ahead and put this back in its appropriate box here. Alright. Go ahead and close it back up. We're going to do the same thing with the other one over here. Close it back up. Make sure I am not forgetting anything. Nope. Alright, so we are good here. Alright. And then in a separate video, I will be going through the features of the 2 low clip lights. So, you guys know my love for keychain lights, alright? I'm happy, dude. I really am, bruh. I've been being blessed a lot lately by my family. Alright. And I don't know if you guys noticed. I'm sure some of you have, if you've been a subscriber of mine for a long fucking time. I gravitate towards limited edition lights. And I know it seems corny or cheesy and whatnot, but it's just something I like. And it looks like this one actually might have an indicator LED to tell you what your charge state is. Oh wait, yeah, okay. I'm a fucking idiot. That's the charge light to let you know that you're charging. Yep. And you know, this is basically the same size as the little pumpkin light that's on my keychain that's hanging on the door with my key on it. Alright. So, there's that. Where does this go in? Okay, there we go. And what I like about OLIGHT is with these little boxes, I can hang them up. Which I am going to do, kind of like I have over here with my mods. I am going to do a flashlight box display type thing. Just so I know where everything's at. And I just dropped the load cable. I see it. Let's see if I can get it with my foot. And yes. Like, me and my mom, we have this thing that, we can pick shit up with our feet. I don't fucking understand it. I don't know where the fuck I learned it or where she learned it. But it's just something we do. It's easier than just trying to bend down. Now here's where the, well actually I might make a separate video on that. So, yeah. Anyways, I will see you guys later. Peace.